Receivables and Prepayments. At 31 December 2024, the following matters require inclusion in a company's financial statements. 1. On 1 January 2024, the company made a loan of $3,000 to an employee, repayable on 31 March 20x5, charging interest at 5% per year. On the due date, she repaid the loan and paid the whole of the interest due on the loan to that date. 2. The company has paid insurance $2,250 in 20x4, covering the year ending 31 August 20x5. 3. In January 20x5, the company received rent from a tenant, $1,000, covering the 6 months to 31 December 20x4. For these items, what total figures should be included in the company's statement of financial position at 31 December 20x4? Answer: Receivables and Prepayments. Insurance, $2,250 times 8 divided by 12 prepayment, $1,500. Loan, receivable, $3,000. Interest due, $3,000 times 5% receivable, $150. Rent due, receivable, $1,000. Total, $5,650.